All right, y'all, I'm back again. What I wanted to touch on this morning is prostate cancer. And as we all know, this is a very deadly disease in the black community. I mean, it's worldwide disease, but it's killing more black men than anything. And what I wanted to touch on is, if you're a man 50 and over, I'm asking you all to go have your prostate checked and your colon. Because these tests don't take a long time. I mean, it takes a few minutes to have all of this stuff checked. It's better to be safe than sorry, because this is one of the number one killers in America for black melanated men. But for some reason or the other, we as males, we try to shy away from seeing the doctors. I mean, I'm guilty of it myself, because at one time, I didn't want to go to the doctors until my wife, boosts me up to go. It's something about us black males. We're not so fond of going to see a doctor, letting them play around in that area. But this is a serious thing. Yes, this is a very serious thing. It's a deadly thing. It's a killer. Like I said before, if you're a black male, 50 or over, please go have this checked. Because if they catch it in an early stage, they can save you. Yeah, they can save you. Yeah. Catch it in an early age, they can save it. I like to snip the pallets, allegedly. But, yeah, this is a very common deadly disease. And I'm asking all the melanated men, have this thing checked out, brothers. And also for the sisters, have your your colon checked out. Yeah. All this stuff is deadly, man. And it's killing us rapidly because we're not going to have things checked out as we should. We should have these things checked out at least every 6 months to a year. Just to be safe than to be sorry. Yeah, because there's been too many people dying from this deadly disease, man. There's been too many of us dying when we could have prevented it if we had caught it early. See, a lot of times people wait till get in the third and fourth stage. See, once you get that far gone, it's not much that they can do for you, but give you pain medication to keep you from hurting and being in lots of pain, allegedly. But what I'm saying is, catch it while it's early, and you can save yourself. Come on, black men, we can do it. Save yourself. Because I know a couple of people who passed from that, because they waited too long, man. They waited too long to have it checked out, But yeah, y'all, if y'all like this content,